Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 5th of December 2024, and I'll be going over my 5th lesson on economics. More specifically, now we're covering microeconomics, and I'll be going over the law of diminishing marginal utility. The law of diminishing marginal utility states that as a person consumes more of a good or service, the additional satisfaction or utility gained from each additional unit decreases, ceteris paribus, which is a fancy way of saying all else equal. And this, whenever you see this word ceteris paribus, it just means that assuming only one variable changes and everything else stays the same, then this is true. Marginal utility is the extra satisfaction or benefit gained from consuming one more unit. So marginal is always one more unit of a good or service. Diminishing is why it's diminishing is as consumption increases, marginal utility decreases. And a good example is typically with food like pizza or burgers. Maybe the first few slices you'll have high utility, as in you'll gain a lot of satisfaction from the first few slices of pizza. However, after you're done with the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, that will decrease and even at some point become negative. You will not have any utility, rather you would actually have it would have a negative impact on your satisfaction. You might overeat or something like that, which is why the utility or marginal utility curve, or utility curve some people call it, typically slopes downwards, reflecting the reduction in additional satisfaction as quantity increases. And this is one of the main explanations for a downward sloping demand curve. I should change this. This is from the last one. Utility, I'll just call it utility graph. Here we can see, taken from this source here, I've linked this. This is a graph of a marginal utility or utility curve. Now, typically, this curve actually sometimes does end up going below zero, since there can be instances where you have negative utility or something that negatively impacts satisfaction. But yeah, this is just very similar to demand curve, which is why in certain contexts they can be used interchangeably, but in very specific contexts only. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.